Imagine standing at the edge of a colossal abyss, where the very crust of the Earth is torn open by machines so phenomenally massive, they permanently alter the planet's landscape. Have you ever wondered what happens when human ingenuity meets the absolute limits of mechanical power deep within the subterranean darkness? Forget everything you know about standard construction equipment and listen to the ground vibrate. Because right now, we are descending into the deepest open pits and quarries on Earth for a cinematic exploration through the brutal, high-stakes world of heavy-duty mining logistics. We start with the unstoppable earth shifters clearing the foundational paths. And we won't stop until we reach the ultimate multi-million-dollar extraction syndicates operating at the very bottom of the pit. Fasten your seatbelt, because we are leaving the civilized world behind and dropping straight into the realm of heavy iron. Deep within the rugged coal cuts of the South Wales mine, the CAT D11T stands as an absolute legend, specifically engineered to tear through the most stubborn geological layers. Underneath its massive yellow hood roars a twin-turbocharged CAT C32 engine, blasting out a spectacular 850 horsepower, allowing this mechanical titan to push nearly 100,000 pounds of material in a single effortless pass. It does not merely clear the land, it completely obliterates obstacles, sending immense shock waves through the operator's heavy-duty seat as its monstrous tracks bite into the black coal veins. Towering like a steel fortress with a blade wide enough to swallow a suburban highway, it asserts absolute visual dominance over the rugged terrain. This engineering marvel represents the indispensable foundation of coal extraction, performing the brutal grunt work that keeps the entire mining ecosystem alive. If you think this solo earth shifter is impressive, the next phase of mining takes mobility to a whole new level of speed and precision. Operating in the unforgiving heart of a rock quarry, the Komatsu WA500 wheel loader redefines the laws of stability and heavy-duty performance. This industrial giant harnesses a potent 353 horsepower engine meticulously optimized to conquer extreme workloads under the most punishing field conditions. Watch it in action as it handles a terrifyingly massive monolithic boulder, carefully balancing and tipping the gargantuan rock into the reinforced bed of a haul truck without causing a single scratch or structural damage to the vehicle. The high-pressure hydraulics hiss, and the heavy steel bucket groans under the insane load, while the deep mechanical roar echoes off the canyon walls. This authentic display showcases the incredible stability, precision, and efficiency required in severe quarry operations, proving the WA500 is an irreplaceable powerhouse in high-demand mining logistics. At a massive coal deposit inside a huge mining operation, two powerful Caterpillar 990 wheel loaders work side by side in a spectacular display of synchronized industrial force. Driven by aggressive diesel engines generating up to 650 horsepower each, these dual mechanical titans create immense torque to conquer a highly challenging working environment. They achieve lightning-fast cycle times, utilizing specialized, oversized coal buckets so staggeringly massive that just two precise bucket loads are all it takes to completely fill the bed of a 4-axle truck. The air continuously vibrates with the deafening roar of twin engines as the foreground loader perfectly aligns its giant bucket, cleanly dropping an immense wave of black gold that instantly fills half the truck in a single definitive motion. This synchronized duo dominates the pit floor, showcasing an imposing presence of heavy iron machinery operating with flawless coordination. This scene highlights not only raw strength, but the extreme precision and timing required in high-demand coal logistics, cementing the CAT 990's role as a powerhouse team. While managing soft coal requires speed, dealing with dense, crushed ore demands a massive leap in physical scale. Stepping up to the true heavy hitters of the pit, the CAT 994D wheel loader emerges as one of the largest industrial giants ever forged by human hands. Propelled by a colossal engine, churning out an astronomical 1,250 horsepower, this beast possesses the sheer muscle to lift mountains of crushed ore without breaking a sweat. It effortlessly fills the gargantuan bed of a Komatsu 830E haul truck, executing rapid cycles to transport crucial material directly to the leach pad. The ground literally groans beneath its massive tires, while the high-pressure hydraulic system emits a menacing hiss with every lifting motion. Towering like a mechanical skyscraper over the quarry floor, its bucket alone can hold a massive volume of up to 40 cubic yards that leaves onlookers completely spellbound. This engineering marvel is the lifeblood of large-scale ore processing, acting as an irreplaceable pillar in the mine's daily production chain. Loaders provide incredible mobility, but when it comes to tearing deep into the Earth's crust, the mega excavators must take over. Forming the ultimate mining partnership, the Hitachi EX2500 hydraulic excavator takes center stage to challenge and conquer the industry's most giant haul trucks. This 250-ton colossal powerhouse relies on a heavy-duty industrial engine, delivering immense hydraulic pressure to tear through tightly packed geological layers. It executes flawless excavation cycles, carving out massive chunks of earth and dropping them into giant CAT trucks with pinpoint accuracy. The cockpit shudders with raw energy as the immense bucket rips through solid rock, creating a symphony of mechanical groans and roaring exhaust. Its massive boom and arm reach high into the sky, casting a giant shadow that asserts absolute visual dominance over the entire excavation site. This machine optimizes high-volume material moving, standing as an indispensable asset for maximizing open-pit productivity. To push the limits even further, we must look to an even larger class of excavation machinery designed for deeper depths. Hard at work in the deep trenches, the Komatsu PC3000 hydraulic excavator elevates open-pit mining to an art form of sheer destructive capability. Driven by a massive V12 diesel engine packing over 1,260 horsepower, this mechanical titan is engineered for relentless, continuous operation in the harshest environments. It is captured here loading the giant Komatsu 830E haul truck, filling its colossal bed in just a few massive sweeping passes. The deep guttural thrum of its engine rattles the chest of anyone nearby, while the scraping of its reinforced teeth against rock creates an unforgettable acoustic experience. Looking like an armored fortress on tracks, its massive structure completely dwarfs the haul trucks circling around it. This engineering marvel ensures a non-stop flow of material, solidifying its position as a dominant force in global mining infrastructure. If you think this level of destruction is maximum, prepare yourself for a monster that literally moves mountains. The Liebherr R9350 hydraulic excavator enters the pit with a single brutal objective: to completely obliterate the heavy overburden soil layer. This 350-ton industrial giant utilizes a high-performance engine that unleashes an incredible surge of hydraulic force to conquer the toughest terrain. Watch as this monster moves mountains, tearing away thick layers of soil and rock with unprecedented speed and efficiency. The sheer velocity of its movements, combined with the explosive sound of shattering earth, provides a sensory overload of pure mechanical power. Its towering silhouette and massive bucket, capable of swallowing an entire SUV, project an undeniable image of visual dominance. This machine reshapes the very topography of the planet, holding a legendary position as the ultimate weapon for surface preparation. Now, we reach the absolute climax of our journey, moving away from traditional extraction to an entirely different scale of haulage logistics. From the high-altitude perspective of the operator, we can see the breathtaking panorama of the entire mining abyss unfolding before our eyes. Deep inside this colossal open-pit mine, the massive yellow Komatsu PC4000 face shovel aggressively carves into a towering earth wall, systematically packing immense buckets of dirt. Right in front of us, a giant Belaze haul truck begins to move, slowly making its way toward the waste dump site. From the dizzying height of the upper decks, we follow this monstrous machine as it navigates the dusty, terraced haul roads winding out of the deep pit. Peering through the narrow steel corridors and massive structural machinery spaces of this moving fortress as it travels to the disposal area, you feel the true, jaw-dropping scale of this multi-million-dollar extraction system. It stands at the absolute apex of human ingenuity, defining the future of mega-scale resource extraction. Which of these mechanical titans impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more epic, heavy machinery content, and we'll see you in the next video.